everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this looks like an Amazon package, but it's not. We in the crafting community like to recycle. That's why I kind of keep all these. So every now and then you're gonna get an envelope from me that was recycled. I mean, why not? It works out really, really well. So this is actually from a Canadian group. So all of you Canadians out there, Jennifer and Jill and Lizzie and Sherry, and I'm sorry if I didn't mention you and you're a Canadian subscriber of mine. I just mentioned the first ones that came to my mind today. So I don't know why I can't find my slicer I have. I cleaned too much. And by cleaning too much means I don't know where anything is. So I'm using these scissors. It's not the best, but it'll do. It'll do. Oh my goodness. What in the world? What? We're gonna see what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this is from Purple Pelican Products. I will put the link down below. Oh my goodness. Look at this packaging. What the heck? All right. Okay. All right, and they also, she says on her little letter, sorry, she sent me a little letter, that these can be on Amazon. So I will put both her Canadian link as well as her Amazon link that I find down below. But look how beautiful this is. This packaging. So this is multi-stacking tray system, makes your painting even more enjoyable. Solid one-piece construction, holds multiple side drill boats. There's a 2-year limited warranty. Bead bottles securely held. Includes beading tray, drill trays, and Velcro dots. Okay, so you get 2 of them. It's a set. And let's dive in and see what this looks like. Okay, so professional manufactured diamond painting drill tray system. All right, so it gives you that. You get the card. Thank you for supporting our small business. Awesome. Okay, here's your Velcro dots. You're gonna need to stick those in the bottom, I think. Here's your trays. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't know what material this is, but it's not wood. It has the feel of foam, but it's really like hardcore, like, so yeah. And all right, so there we go with one. And then I wonder if the Velcro dots are to stack them. Part of me thought it was to put in here to keep your bottles, but I think it's to help stack them. Like so. Yeah. So here's this one. I love the color. And then here are the little tubes. My only question is, how do you have the bottom color in the tubes? You can't. I know, I know. These fit really secure. They're plastic, they open up. I love how they're packaged in these beautiful... Okay, so with a regular purchase, the bead bottles are not included. So you do need to purchase your own bead bottles. I did get this to review. Put that disclaimer out there. So let's review. Let's get these dots going. If I'm doing this wrong, sorry. Oops. Why did I switch? I don't know. Make sure you put the Velcro like the right way. I hope I'm doing this correctly. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do like right here. We'll see. Gotta get it right on the edge there. And then because I received 2 sets of Velcro dots, I know this is real fun for you, right? Like, it's like watching a pot boil. You're probably thinking, now, how are you gonna line those up down with the tray above? I have a way. So what I think I'm gonna do is now stick the other part of the Velcro on top of these. Let's see if this works. Do, 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 do. Dun, 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 dun. Dance, 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 dance. Doo, 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 doo. Dance, 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 dance. Ooh. Now, do not use these dots in your pen. These are not the micro dots we were talking about. These are Velcro dots. And if this is not how I'm supposed to do it, oh well, I created a new way to do it. Okay. Now, I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to line it up here in the front before I press it down. And then I'm going to press it down. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so now, look at that. So they should all be lined up like they're supposed to be. So then I can put it back down so they're not going to go anywhere. Yeah, just like so. All right, I hope that made sense. And the nice thing about doing it that way is in case I want to show more of the bottom, I can move it back and just have these 4 bottom dots. You know, it's not as secure, but yeah, we're just gonna go with that. This top one, because of shipping, is not happy. I think it's just going to take a moment. There we go. Now it's secure. All right, I'm going to throw that away. We got all of our containers ready to go. Let's get some trays in, see how this looks. I like that she sends trays because some people don't have 500 trays like I do. Let's get these trays in. They fit perfectly. They're nice and snug. They're not going to go anywhere. I like this wine color she picked. Here's the other set of trays. Yeah, look at how pretty that is. Right? And then this is cute. This is a little brush that's going to help you like brush out the, I don't know what that is. This helps brush out instead of like scraper. You can brush those out. Right. Maybe that it's somewhat sticky. So maybe it's like if you drop, you can pick it up. I'll experiment. Guys, watch me in the future. See what I do with this. And then, Tia, do not use your drills on this. This is something that helps you. You can put, like if you only want one tray, it's not going to go anywhere. And, funny story, my friend Tia, she dropped her drills on this. Note to self, if you drop your drills, it's a nightmare, but you can go put a paper towel in the bottom of your sink so the water, it doesn't, you know, your drills aren't going to go down in the drain. And then you just run this underwater and kind of scrape the drills off gently, and they fall into the paper towel, and then you turn the water off and let the water go through the paper towel, and then you have your drills. But I love the purple consistency. Of course, they're Purple Pelican products. They do have some other great products. I was looking on their website with drill pens, with the magnifier. Yeah, and then this ball. What is this ball? I'm so confused. It's a sticky ball. So I don't... Is it a stress ball? Is it to pick up your drills? Tell me. Tell me. Please. I need to know. I need to know. So comment down below if you know what this ball is. It's got a little bit of a stick to it. So I don't know if it's like to pick hair off or what. Okay. So guys, I recommend this tray. It is very well constructed. I really, here's what it looks like on the side. So yeah, it'd be awesome. Try it out. Let me know. I'm going to try it out when I have confetti. That's why I would use a tray like this. So I don't have to keep putting drills away. For this bottom section, I would probably put a tag here. Make sure that it comes off. You don't want to like stick something there permanently, but I'd probably put something to let me know what these colors were down below. Or you could put it on the side of your tray. I also know some companies sell like tray stoppers that have a cover on the front, and then you can put the sticker on the front cover so you know what's in here. So be creative, because up here you're gonna know, but down here you're not gonna know. So that's the only one of the few things I see in this design. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much, Brenda, over at purplepelicanproducts.com. We do need some more Canadian businesses because, you know, Canadians also diamond paint. So I love you all. Take care. Check out the links and let me know what you think of this new upcoming tray organizing fad. So be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.